Hello, I am Angel from PG14 and today I'll be showcasing my lab 5 which is on half control bridge rectifier. Okay, the above here which is shown on the screen is my schematic diagram, and this is my driver, this is my clock, my source, voltage source. This is my okay, let me scroll down. This is my T1, this is T3, this is D4, and this is D2. And this whole schematics is based on a resistive load. Okay, so now, and then as of now, as you can see, I can set my duty cycle here. For now, I set as 167 M to obtain a firing angle of 30 degrees. Okay, so now I'll be showing you the waveform for firing angle of 30 degrees. As you can see here, we'll be focusing on V0 and VG1. This is the waveform for firing angle of 30 degrees. So from this point here to this point, it will be for my T1 on, whereas from the second half wave, it will be for T3 on, because it's at the negative. As you can see, it's at the negative side of the sine wave, whereas the first one is at the positive side of the sine wave. Okay, so now I'll show you if my duty angle if I want my firing angle to be 150, I'll have to set this to 833 M, and I will form out the waveform again. Okay, as you can see now, is the waveform changes. See, so this peak, right, this thing here is T1 on. As you can see, it's still at the negative side, whereas here would be T3 on, and it will just keep going on the cycle. As you can see, it'll keep going on based on the angle. Okay, so that's all for my video and my intro to half controlled rectifier, bridge rectifier. Thank you.